In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 HP EliteBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of HP EliteBook you have, you can enable or disable virtualization. This process must be done inside of the BIOS. So if you don't know how to access the BIOS on your HP EliteBook model, then you can check the manual if you want to be sure. But for most models, it is going to be done by repeatedly pressing F10 while your computer is booting up. So if your computer is currently powered on, then power it off, then boot it up again. While it is booting, start pressing F10. This will open the BIOS setup. Once you are inside of the BIOS, use the arrow keys. So by using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you will be able to navigate to the Advanced tab. So use the left and right arrow keys if you have the stop menu selected and go over to Advanced. Once you go inside of Advanced, you have to access the System Options next. So go to Advanced, System Options, and finally, you will see Virtualization Technology. All that you have to do now is enable it. If you find other options related to virtualization like this one, Virtualization Technology for Directed I/O, then you can enable it as well, but this one is going to be the most important. Once you have Virtualization Technology, aka VTX, enabled, you are good to go. Make sure to save the changes before exiting out of the BIOS, so if it gives you a prompt or you notice that there is a menu at the top right to save these changes before booting into Windows, do so now. And if you open Task Manager, go into the Performance tab and access your CPU, you can actually check if virtualization was properly enabled. If this option here says enabled, then it means that you did it properly and virtualization is now being used on your HP Windows 11 machine. I hope I was able to help you on how to enable virtualization in Windows 11 HP EliteBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.